Hello, this is me again. I'm giving you a status update. Throttle bodies actually came out good, but the problem is, the main reason I removed it is because cylinder 6 was having a vacuum leak. Apparently it's on this particular one. The vacuum leak seemed like it was coming from the rear. Try to get some lighting on this thing. Show you. Apparently these things seal. Now, I know there's engine oil that comes probably from the valves, but is this natural for these things to be super wet? I don't know. Just let me know. But this is the engine side. That's like this on all throttle body. Just fine, as long as it seals, doesn't matter. When I actually took these off and you look at the intake manifold of the engine, you could still see there was a ton of debris of this thing. So I failed because I was supposed to probably get a razor and clean it off and use 100% clean contacts. Fortunately, since this is probably my third time removing an intake plenum, it took a little bit shorter time, maybe 2 hours tops, getting all the bolts, everything, because I know where every bolt I need to do. So it wasn't tough. It was just time consuming of placing the bolts so I don't lose them. That's the current situation. There's the plenum again. So hopefully by tomorrow I get this back in, and I'm going to be changing the gaskets. Of course, I have bought 6 brand new ones. I mean, it's literally like, I think like $15 for 6 brand new ones. It's cheap. That was like less than $2, or probably a little bit over $2 with tax, but still. Yeah. But anyways, I was able also to find the reason the oil leak. I had to tie some bolts down, got that taken care of, and it looks like my power steering is leaking because every place I tying up the power steering, it leaks. But I don't know, I'll figure it out. But there's definitely no oil leaking. That's good. There's no radiator fluid leaking, so that's good. But there's power steering, and I gotta figure it out. So that's my current status. I'll let y'all know what happens. Oh, by the way, update. When it comes to RPMs, I did find out from my old videos that when it's cold and damp, or cold in any shape or form, the RPM was still close to 1,000. Now, when it was hot, warm weather, it was close to 800. I don't know if it's because the aluminum expands, it's tying everything up. I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to get these changed and proceed accordingly. Yeah, so that's what I have so far. I'm very close to just getting it done. Just want to get it done. Keep the car stock. Alright, thank you very much. Have a good day.